Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable MMS messaging on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can enable MMS, Multimedia Messaging Service on your iPhone. This is handy for sending and receiving text messages with media like photos, videos or audio. So now without further ado, let's get it started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your iPhone. And once you have opened the app, simply scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps. Once you are in the app section, simply scroll down and search for the option messages. And once you have located that, simply tap on it. And once you are under the messages section, scroll down until you find an option named send as a text messages. And once you have located that option, simply toggle on that option. And the MMS messaging is enabled on your iPhone. And you are now ready to send and receive multimedia messages. And that's all there is to it. And you have successfully enabled MMS messaging on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.